from the homework. We've got an employee that's paid $154,000. Sorry, that's how much they have in total sales. We have to figure out how much they are paid. Okay, so got to fill in this box for gross earning. So it's just like the funeral services problem of the week we had a couple weeks ago, where the tax bracket only 10% of the money is taxed between $0 and $9,000. Forgot what it was, $400, and then there's a different tax amount. So we have to find out how much we have for each of these sections. Then we can calculate the tax separately. So for this first one, 2% of he gets 2% of his commission back up to $8,000 in sales, and then anything over $80,000 gets 3.5% commission. Everything between $80,000 and $100,000, that gets 3.5%, and then it jumps to a higher level. So we don't need that yet. We're going to put, for the 80,000 section, we do have 80,000 in sales. So we're going to have 2% of 80,000 go to this person, to Ron. And then here for the 3.5%, that's a $20,000 amount that we're going to have taxed there, because there's $20,000 in that interval between 80,000 and 100,000. And so we've done 80,000, we've done 20,000. That means there's $54,000 left to go in this 4% section. Okay. So here, since we had 154,000 in total sales, 80,000 is we're given a 2% commission on 80,000. We're given a 3.5% commission on 80,000 to 100,000, and then the remaining 54,000 that we haven't done yet goes here. So 54,000. So we're going to find the total earned here. Let me put this so they're all neatly stacked. We got an error to this one. So he sold $80,000 of a product, but since he only gets 2% of that in commission, I'm going to multiply that by 0.02. 80,000 times 0.02, we get 1,600 there. This next one, we got $20,000 in sales. That fits in that second bracket there. So we're going to multiply that by 0.035 to find out what 3.5% is. 20,000 times 0.035, that gives us 700. Oh, can't copy and paste with this computer. 700. And then for this final one down here, we had $54,000. That was more than $100,000 in sales. So we get to claim 4%. 4% in commission there. So we'll multiply that by 0.04 like we did in the previous chapters. So that gets us 54,000 times 0.04 gives us 2,160. So this total commission, the gross earning, is going to be adding up all these separate little sections of commission. We've got 1,600 plus 700 plus 2,160. Total earnings is 4,460. That's what you put in this box here. Okay, so you'll do the same thing. Just you'll have different percentages, probably a different total sales amount here too.